Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are having a beautiful day ahead. So let's see what is coming in the cards today. Okay, the first card. That's a beautiful combination. Can you see the third eye? It is to work with the third eye. So let's see what is in store of the cards today for you all. And that's the nine of air element, because here if you see it's about the third eye. So a day of self-awareness, open possibilities, just see what is there and try to know what is in store for you, because sometimes we feel that we are capable enough to handle things, we are capable enough to do everything that we want, but we end up not doing it because we create our own blockages, and these blockages are basically our fears. It can be imaginary fears, it can be real fears, or it can be things which has happened in the past for which we are not able to let go. Now if you see the following card, basically it talks about our ego, but sometimes ego is the biggest harm for us. So let go of that ego, let go of justifying things or giving reasons to yourself. See the truth, accept the truth. Now accept this truth, saying that I am ready to accept the truth, I am ready to learn the lessons so that I move forward in life, and I, whatever mistakes happens because of this, is all for the good. Though these cards look very complicated, when I see this card somewhere, when I see the first card, I feel your third eye and your throat chakra are blocked, because whatever you feel, you're not speaking out. So here indirectly it means you need to speak out and you need to talk out properly. Maybe today what you can do is, in the morning, burn a white candle and chant or put on the Mahamrityunjay mantra to give you energy other than health, so that you will have the confidence to speak. Today I would say to go with the color yellow, because your solar plexus needs a lot of energy, so that you can have the encouragement and the guts to speak out whatever is in your mind, and at the same time you will be able to get the results that you're expecting. Have a beautiful day ahead.